Alright guys, so this is the update. So this was the original that I was using, someone else made, but I don't like to use other people's stuff. So even though this is not exactly how they started it off, and I still modified it a little bit, I decided to make my own from scratch. And so to compare it to that, I built this one right here. And it was doing okay, except that I was not getting those nice lines that he was getting in here, so it's hard to tell where the center point was. This was a big failure from the Cartesian style printer, and so that didn't work out. And this failed a little bit here on the delta because it came off, but that was my fault for not putting extra glue. Anyway, in the end, it turned out perfectly fine in this one. I'm not sure if you can see, but there is a center line, and then everything else works out pretty well. Anyway, that's the update, and I'll see you in the next.
Likey